Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to extract ER diagram from MySQL database. So let's open our MySQL Workbench. From there we will extract the ER diagram of a database. For that, let's go into the database menu and there click on reverse engineer, and here you have to select that of which database you want your database ER diagram. So you select, I want from local database, from local instance, so I have chosen this, and let the rest as it is. Then click on next, then put your password there, click on OK, then next, then again choose your database, of which database you want the ER diagram of. Click on next, click on next, execute, and next, finish. Here is it. Here is our ER diagram of the database. So if you don't like this style, you can move from here there, like this, like this, like this. So you can move wherever you want them to look good. So yes, so guys, in this way you can extract ER diagram. This ER diagram is in Crowfoot's model, so you can get an ER diagram of any database in this manner. Thanks.